How to change a Facebook page name. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can change your Facebook name. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your Facebook app. Head over to Play Store and search for Facebook. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook page. Tap onto your page on your top right. Tap on gear icon. Then you will see page settings. Tap open that option. Here you will see personal information and under that tap onto name. Now here you can simply go ahead and edit the name and change it to whatever you want. And also read the note that if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. If you would still like to continue, then tap on review change. And just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.